I'm James Swartz, managing attorney with Swartz Swartz PC. So as we head towards the end, hopefully, of this pandemic, and we get back to a semblance of normal lives, we're going to be on the road more. We're going to be wanting to get to work, get to friends' homes, get to schools, really get out of the house just to do something different. But as we head back to the roads, be aware. There are dangers, especially as the traffic increases. You know, we've been used to being on the roads for those of us that have been out for different reasons. There's been less traffic. There have been fewer distractions to worry about. And now that we're back out there and there are more cars on the road, be aware, be careful. So with heavy traffic comes some certain dangers. Those include less time to avoid other vehicles and perhaps even pedestrians, bicycles, others on the roadway. Vehicles are in close proximity to one another, of course. So as you're sitting in traffic, speeding up, slowing down, knowing who's in front of you, who's to the sides of you is really important. Just be aware of that. Frustration is still out there, has been even during the pandemic, and certainly as more cars are on the road, drivers can and do get frustrated as they're trying to get to work and other appointments in a timely way. And also high speeds has always been a problem, will remain a problem. Those who are going way above the speed limit and pose a potential danger to others on the roadways. So what are some simple things you can do to try to minimize those hazards and to be as safe as possible? So number one, slow down. Don't speed up even if you're in a rush to get somewhere on time. When you slow down, you're able to assess what's around you much easier and be safe. Also, remain alert. Put those cell phones down. Don't text, don't email. Keep your eyes on the road, your hands on the wheel. Be aware, again, of your surroundings and avoid those dangers. And finally, don't drive erratically. And that sounds like a pretty common sense piece of advice, but it can be really helpful to just telegraph your intentions. Use your signals. Make sure you slow down as you're going to turn. Stop and look before you enter an intersection. Those are all things that will keep us safe and others around us safe as we get back on the roads. So if you have questions about traffic and vehicle safety, please reach out to Swartz Swartz. We're happy to answer your questions.